Today we are going to discuss about the imperfections, that is the last topic in thermal properties, that is imperfections in crystal. What is a crystal? Regular arrangement of atoms in a periodic manner is called as a crystal. Any deviation from this structure is called as a imperfection. The deviation of the regular arrangement of atoms in a crystal is called as a imperfection. So this imperfection will affect the specific heat and conductivity and resistivity etc. All the thermal properties are affected due to this imperfection, because due to these vibrations of atoms, phonons will generate. If any atom is missing, the phonon interaction may different, so gives rise to different phenomena may occur. So these are the imperfections. What are imperfections? The deviations in a perfect crystal are called as a imperfections. They will affect the fundamental properties such as specific heat, conductivity and resistivity in the presence of a temperature. There are two types of imperfections called point imperfections, line imperfections. So what are point imperfections? So the other name for point imperfections are zero dimensional imperfections. So zero dimensional means they are negligible, very small. So these imperfections are very small. They are associated with a single atom or with the two atoms, that is either for this atom or with this it is associated with the two atoms which are adjacent to each other. So this type of imperfection is called as a point imperfections. Since it is very negligible, so we can also call it as a zero dimensional imperfection. Under these point imperfections there are two types. Further they are divided into two types. They are Fresnel imperfections and Schottky imperfections. Point or zero dimensional imperfections are categorized as Fresnel or Schottky imperfections. Fresnel imperfection means if there is any crystal. For example, if we consider sodium chloride crystal, so which is having sodium plus ions and chlorine minus ions. So if this sodium atom is displaced to another sodium plus ion or chlorine minus ion, there is some vacant position here. So the imperfection due to the transfer of ion from one place to another interstitial state is known as Fresnel imperfections. That is, there is only one vacant position of that particular ion. So these type of imperfection system of imperfections are called as Fresnel imperfections. Next, Schottky imperfections. For example, consider sodium chloride crystal only, so which is having plus ions minus ions, plus ion minus ion, plus ion minus ion, plus minus. If there is a deviation of positive and negative ions together, for example this sodium plus ion and chlorine minus ion are displaced together, then this charge will be equated. That means plus charge. If this atom is having total 10 Na plus ions, 10 chlorine minus ions, then one sodium atom and one chlorine atom, if they are removed or transferred at the same time to compensate that crystal, then that type of imperfections are called Schottky imperfections. Fresnel imperfections are transfer of only single ion from one place to another place. Schottky ions transfer of a positive and negative ions together to balance the total system is called as a Schottky imperfections. Next type of imperfections. So under this point imperfections or zero dimensional imperfections, we have Fresnel and Schottky. So line imperfection means if in a line of periodic arrangement of atoms there are several number of line of atoms. So if in a line of crystal, in a line of periodic arrangement of atoms, if any one of the atom is missing, then that type of the name itself indicates it is a line imperfection. If there is a missing of atoms in a line of a crystal, then that type of imperfections are called as line imperfections, which is also called as one dimensional. So one dimensional means in one array of atoms these imperfections are observed. These are called one dimensional imperfections. So these are the different types of imperfections. All these, let us indicate all these imperfections in a tree diagram. Note down this one. This is imperfections, line imperfections. Point imperfections are Fresnel and Schottky. So this is the categorization of imperfection. This is zero dimensional, this is one dimensional. This is only corresponding to one ion or atom. This corresponding to group of two atoms. This is the last topic in thermal properties of materials.